You forgot to record it. Yeah.
I'm going to show my photo first.
Hi, everyone. Yes. Hello, my name is Maria. That's just my mom's name, and I am actually info, not
Empat
funny.
mau enam boleh.
I'm so tired.
No, you can use. Okay, just cut the button. Okay, you can cut. So basically, this is already done. See that?
I am finished. I am finished.
Wow, good job, Ruth. Yeah, stick it on the. Wow, yeah, Jason, good job. Jason, yeah, wow, you also showing the gas. I mean the gas tank at the
I
back.
don't need my mom to help me cut because I can cut myself.
Yeah, that's because you're still okay, folks.
And did you know in Bosa and Jawa,
Mhm.
they cut Kuro and then they cut the crocodile.
Can you help me?
Wait, one by one. Okay, Ivo, you want to say something? What is
You know that in Jawa, you the shark is named Suro and the crocodile's named Boyo. Suro Boyo.
Oh, that's it. Yeah. So they combine two names into.
Oh yeah.
I get it now.
Because
I know the story
because
of this.
a long time ago, my dad said there's a shark and a crocodile. They think that they're powerful enough, so they
Yeah, so they fight. They fight.
Who
yeah.
wants then? Who wants at the?
And then both of them died. No one won.
Oh, so sad.
They don't know. It's fair.
All right. Remember to everyone have 5 until 7 minutes to present. Don't be in a rush. Okay, you have to.
Don't be like this. Hi, my name is Ipo and this is my creation. That's it.
Yeah. No, not like that. Okay, you have to make it very detailed and very long presentation.
If I can make it until 100 times, I would be so amazed that I have to tell my mother to give me something.
Okay.
If any of you until 100 or 1000 or more, take
They're all.
Yeah.
You know,
Fine.
I am gonna present 100 words for real. For real. That's it. For real. 100 words or 100 words.
What
Okay.
even 100 works even mean?
I'm going to share you the slide. Yeah.
I like to call Ruthie.
Stop calling me that name.
Hi, my name is Ivo, but my mom's name is Foniani.
Okay, fine. If you call me Ruthie, your name will be Ifoe.
No. Okay, stop.
Hi, Ruthie.
Stop calling your friend's name with something. Okay. I'm afraid that you will
Call
be
myself
fighting each other later on.
Tom
Yeah, I'm afraid that you will.
Hi,
Yeah, you will.
Foniani.
Yeah. All right.
See you.
Okay. If you notice that we are talking about Picasso, right? Why we have to color the background?
No.
Why we have to color our drawing using
No,
Picasso style? All right. Sorry, I'm sorry. I have to mute you guys first. Okay, this one is about our lesson today. We're talking about Picasso style, and this is the Picasso style I will show you. Actually, Picasso likes to create something like using a cubism style. Cubist like cubic, like three-dimensional shapes. or form.
Four-dimensional.
Like
4D.
three-dimensional
Oh yeah,
form.
3D. I just remember.
Okay, did you still remember? I mean, you notice that you cut everything like this, right? Triangle or square, you just cut it and it becoming, and then you fill it with color and it will creating something like this. Okay, this one is like pretty much the same with the one that we learned today. All right, we color the background using the Picasso style. That is the things that make our drawing or our painting looks different with the normal person. Normal person, which means that the students who only like painting without using their creativity, they do not blend to technique. That's why I'm just too boring, yeah, to see the the painting looks something like this. It's just like a normal for me. That's why we are now combining the Picasso style, the Pablo Picasso style, apply it onto our painting, and it looks a little bit more uh, unique, yeah, like Mr. Al did, or like Jason did, or like everyone's did now, right? We still have like 1 hour now. I want you to stick the object onto your paper
Should I really
and look how you can create something creative like this. You will realize at the end of your lesson that wow, yes, Jason, you just need to stick it. All right, stick the items onto your over your paper. Yeah, if you have a little bit time, you can color it first. If you're too lazy to color it, it's okay. You just stick everything over your paper, and yeah, you will see that you just one step ahead among your friend. Okay, if your friend just color everything with blue, but suddenly you come up with this one, I'm sure that your teachers will be like, wow, Jason, where you learn this kind of technique? Yeah, and then you can just say like, oh yeah, I learned some maybe from the YouTube, or maybe from my friend or something like that. Okay, and you know what, the ending part of your project later on, when you apply this kind of technique, you will, trust me, your score will be much more higher than your friend. Okay, remember, if your teachers asking you to draw something, don't be just only like following the instruction only. No, you can ask them like, Mister, can I make it a little bit more different? Like what, Jason? I mean, can I just use my way how to draw it? And you know what? In IB, they support the differentiate students. Okay, they will always appreciate what you create, even though that you're using your different way with your friend. Yeah,
when I ever when I ever go to my school and I ever bring one of my pictures, my teacher is like, "Wow, Ifo, you have a very good job of your drawing. I'm so proud of you. Keep on the good work."
yeah. See that? You can see that. Actually, your teacher's trying to be honest to her. I mean, to herself, that you actually, yes, you have your passion in art, and then it's also becoming a bonus score also when you are following this kind of lesson. That's why don't be too lazy to always learn. Even Mr. Al, I'm too old now, but I always like feel curious to learn something new, especially singing. My voice is really bad. Sorry, I need to say something. Wait. Yeah. Okay, Alithia, how is it? Do you have any problems so far? No? Are you working with the animals now?
Yes, I'm coloring it now.
Oh, yeah, good job. Okay, Tia, good job. Wow, Ruth now is trying to glue the object, right? The animals and everything. Wow, Ifo also trying to stick everything onto her paper. That's really cool. Yeah. So don't stop studying. Okay, even Mr. R is always like feel curious about everything. I learn about music. I learn about drawing, painting, singing, everything. I always feel hungry with everything. I will eat nasi. I will eat pete. I will eat jengkol. I will eat Just joking.
You're right.
All right, everybody will have like 5 until 10 minutes to present. Don't be too shy. Remember, we are learning 3 things today. Learn about how to draw the animals, learn how to present it using English, and the last one is learn how to be confident. Okay, in front of the camera, you have to present everything so detailed. I give you 1 hour.
Look at this, everyone. My first glue from the flower.
Wow, you made it.
It's flower, not flower.
Flower. We call it flower, not flower.
Oh.
Yeah, we call it. Yeah, you're correct. Wow, Jason, that's really cool. All right then. Wait, Jason. Jason, do you still have a time to wait, or do you have any schedule like doing
Finish.
something?
I think I don't have schedule, but I have lesson. I don't know when.
Oh, okay. Maybe you can be the first one to present, but I will give you 5 more minutes. Wow, Ruth. Yeah, you know what, Ruth? How to do it? I mean, how to make it? First of all, you put the flowers inside the bowl, right?
Yeah.
Put the flower there, and then you put the water, right? Is it warm water or just cold water? Just a normal water?
Warm water.
Yes, exactly. We have to use warm or hot water to make the flowers melting a little bit.
Done.
Yes, Ivo.
Done.
Okay, are you ready, Ivo, to present yours?
To be honest, I think my cousin Jason can go first.
Okay, after Jason, after you present, you can stay just like 1 until 5 minutes, and then you can leave the call. Yeah, if you have anything to
This is
do.
not a call. This is a meeting.
Yeah,
Okay.
are you ready, Jason? I want to take photo of your drawing first.
Okay.
Oh wait, I don't know how to screenshot. Is there anybody can screenshot?
I know.
Or maybe you can use your own.
Me.
I know.
I also know. Alright.
Okay, I need somebody to screenshot. Yeah.
I need to.
Okay, thank you so much, Jason. Now you can present now.
Okay, so I make like a sea ocean one.
Wait, Jason, you have to say like this first. Hi, my name is Jason, and this is my painting. Yeah.
Okay.
3, 1, 2, go.
Hello, my name is Jason and this is my painting. I make a sea and then I first do the background with rocks, sand, and then the sea. And then I make lines with pencils and then I have colors and I paint it inside the triangles and the shapes. Then I also paint the coral, the rocks, and the seaweed. And then I draw the animals and the scuba divers
All right, and then
marker. And then when I make it, I think it was hard for me to make the scuba diver
yeah, all right.
because it's hard to draw people.
Okay, are you happy with your drawing, Jason, so far?
Yeah.
Okay, what is the very hardest part of your drawing?
To paint it so later it don't go out of the lines.
Okay, how you solve your problem?
I solve my problem by using different technique and different paint brush.
Okay, what did you learn from this lesson?
I learned to be creative.
You learn how to be creative, and then you learn how to paint, or maybe anything.
How to paint.
Yeah, are you happy so far with your drawing, with your painting?
Yeah.
All right then, that's it. Thank you so much, Kakak Jason. Your drawing looks really cool. Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah. Okay. I like the way you draw the crab. Looks really, really realistic. That's really cool, Jason. Thank you so much. Is there any question, maybe? Ifo, you want to ask something to Jason?
I want to ask.
Yeah, okay, Ifo, you can ask Jason.
Jason, how did you find the idea to make so many and not getting tired?
Yes.
I like I usually like watch video, so I take some of the idea from Google Image sometimes and then
What?
around me. Maybe
Okay.
there's
Okay, cool.
drawing.
Okay. Ifo, Jason said that he trying to get the idea from watching the YouTube maybe or some kind of movie, and then he try to explore maybe the technique using his
Like
own way.
this? Ooh, I think I like that starfish.
Yeah. How many score that you can give to Jason, Ifo?
I could just give like a trillion, trillion, billion. Because he's my best cousin ever.
Okay then. All right. Thank you so much, Jason, for joining our class.
Ethan!
See you again next week. Bye, Jason.
I think I can stay here.
Yeah, you can. If you want to stay here, it's okay. You can stay here and you can have a free drawing
Efo's turn.
now. Okay, we're going to go to Evo. Wait, Evo, I want to take photo first. Okay, the Fanka have to take photo this one.
Command.
Command.
And
Okay. Smile, Evo.
wait.
Okay, done. You can. Yeah, you can present it now. Ready? One, two.
Hello, my name is Ifo, and this is my painting and my drawing. Today I learned that you have to make the background first, and then you have to make the things in another paper. Then you paint and cut, and then paste it on the background you just made. So this a very good world, a very good undersea world. And as you can see, the bottom is all sand.
And then?
Little mermaid. See?
How about the sky?
That's not a sky, that's an ocean.
Okay. So, what is the hardest part of your painting?
The hardest part was finding the perfect position for this big fish and coloring the sand.
Okay.
At the very beginning, I was not sure if I can do it, but at the end, it turned like this.
Yeah.
And the results are pretty good, I would say. And they are hunting for this.
Okay. What is the difference? We draw it directly the animals on our paper, or we draw the animals with a new paper. What is the difference?
The difference is if you draw it normal, it looks so not rare or cool. It's so common and boring.
Okay. And then?
But if you use a new paper, it looks pretty cool. See?
Yeah, you can arrange, right? The animal.
Block,
Yeah.
you can
It-
bloopy bloop. And
Yeah,
then
it also like go out from the border, like it's really creating like a 3D illusion.
it's like you're actually controlling the fish.
Yes,
Hi.
I agree with you. That is what I expect.
Oh.
The turtle looks very cute. What's happened with the mermaid?
She's just swimming, She's cool, just
She's
checking.
dying or she's dead already or what?
She's just swimming, not a dead.
Oh, because she's like lying down like that.
This glue is homemade.
Okay, are you happy with your drawing, your painting?
Yes.
Okay, what did you learn from this lesson?
I learned, obviously, if you draw with new paper, it looks cool. And you're like controlling the tail or something, like this. Look,
Yes.
I am swimming.
Yeah, I agree with you. This looks really three-dimensional painting. It looks really, really cool. Right.
And sometimes you can draw like this on their
Mhm.
walls.
Yeah. Is there any question from Tia or maybe Ruth or Jason or Devanka? If you want to ask your friend, please give some feedback. The positive. Okay, Tia, how many thumbs that you can give to Ivo?
Gambarnya sudah selesai.
Also including my legs.
2 thumbs up. Ivo, good job.
Why? Because my legs included.
Right. Thank you so much, Ivo.
By the way, I worked very hard for this.
Yes, I know that you really put your best
And
effort.
that's homemade. This is homemade.
Yeah.
Ini apa? I
Right.
see
Thank you
Mr.
so much,
in the
everyone.
Pankas place.
Yeah.
I make it all.
Okay, Devanka, you wanna start to present your drawing?
Sure.
Okay, we go to Devanka. Yeah, after Devanka, Kakatia will be ready. Ready?
Wait, can Ruth go after Tifanka?
Yeah, of course. Wait, Devanka, smile first. Okay, you may start now, Devanka. Ready? 1, 2, go.
Okay, so this is my painting. So I kind of use some markers here because, okay, I'm so tired. So it's like this. So some of the people, all the people are white because I'm tired to color. There's so much color here. So
Yeah.
and I will color some of the fishes here.
Yeah, all right.
And it seems like this girl is chasing the fishes when she can't.
Yeah.
When this girl, I'm not really good at drawing boys, so I only do girls. And I kind of like this one because the hair looks good.
Yeah. What did you learn from this lesson?
First, I learned how to draw better hair, and second, I learned about the Pablo Picasso style.
Wow. Are you happy with the result now?
Yes.
Tia, do you have any question for Devanka?
No.
No? Okay. All right, then how many thumbs that you can give to Devanka, Ruth,
Itu nanti
and Tia?
sudah selesai.
And Ivo, how many thumbs? Ivo, do you have any question for Devanka? No?
Sekarang
Wow! 4 thumbs up. Right. Thank you, Devanka. You can now work up and play with your friend. All right. Now we go to Ruth. Are you ready,
Turn
Ruth?
on your camera. Hi.
kalau sudah selesai.
All right. Who wants to be the next one, Ruth or Tia? Oh, Ruth first.
I'm
Okay.
in Funkas place.
Ruth, it's okay. Tia, it's okay. Yeah, you will be the last one. Yeah.
Okay.
Thank you, Kakak Tia, for your your patience. Oh, don't cover your face, please, Ruth. Yeah, smile, please. Give your best smile. Oh, nice. Okay, can you start now? Yeah.
Presents, I have a question.
Okay, you go. Your question first.
What is that circle?
Oh, wait. Ruth will be explaining everything. Okay, Ruth, take your time. Go.
I think it's on. Hi everybody. My name is Ruth. Today I've drawn the ocean.
Yay!
Oh!
And then?
And then today, this is my pet shark. And because I liked it so that I am the ocean queen, maybe if I can swim.
Yeah. And then what else? What is the circle behind the diver?
The circle behind the diver is a cave.
A cave. Okay. And then how many animals that you create? That you drew?
Just one.
What is that?
Because it's just my pet.
Yeah, it's okay. What is that? Is it a turtle or a shark?
It's a shark because his fin got bitten by a sperm whale, but I call it the lucky tail.
Oh, because he's still alive?
Yep, he's still alive, and when it's time for us to play, he chases all around for me.
Why you like to draw the shark? Why not anything else like another fish?
Because it's story mode.
Oh, okay. All right.
You know that I love sharks so much because some sharks are nice because I saw it in YouTube. So that's why I like sharks now.
Oh, okay then. So nowadays you like shark, right? You believe that not all shark are very grumpy or very mad. Some of them are very
Nope.
some of them are
Yeah.
very kind, right? Oh, okay. Okay, can you tell us something that you learned from this lesson, Ruth?
Well, I learned how to draw just not flat, but shadow things. Wait, did I already stick this in there?
Are you happy with your drawing, with your painting?
I'm totally happy.
Okay, you have a homework, yeah. Ruth, if you have a free time, you can draw as many shark as you can. You can be a shark master later on. When somebody asking you to give you a challenge, who can draw a shark? When you already have learned how to practice it, you can be a very master drawing in drawing the shark later on.
Jason Angelo Arianto PYP just left.
Okay, Tia, do you have any question for Ruth? Devanka, do you have any
I have
question?
a question.
Yes, Ifo. Yeah, go.
My question is, Rod, why is the cave kind of like a donut? There's no rock. Well, it's made of rocks.
Can I say something?
Yeah.
Why does the cave look like a wheel?
Like a wheel. Why?
Well, because it's made of rock.
Because it's
Why the cave looks like a donut? It is made of rock. Stop telling that question.
Yeah, it's okay, Ruth. Everyone can ask any question, yeah. Because that is the one that we get, right? The first impression of your painting is the circle, the cave. Okay, thank you so much, Ruth, for sharing with us.
Does my fish even smell that bad?
What?
Does my fish even smell bad?
No, not really. Okay, Ivo, how many thumbs that you can give to Ruth? Alithia, Mr. A give 2 thumbs up. Okay, Devanka.
I have 10 thumbs up. 10 fingers up.
Yeah, how many thumbs you can give to Ruth? Yeah, thank you so much, Kakatia. How about Ivo? Wow, even Ivo's mom give you thumbs up. Ruth, whoa, congratulations. All right, now it's time for Kakak Tia, yeah? Thank you so much, Ruth.
Dude,
Yeah.
you are an expert at drawing sharks, even though I cannot see this.
Ruth, don't forget, Ruth, you have a homework. Yeah, you have to draw as many sharks as you can because you like sharks. Okay?
Why no one ever challenges me? Well, I can do this.
Okay, yeah, thank you, Ruth. Now we go to Tia. Tia, come on, smile first.
Làm dạ dạ.
Okay, you can start, Tia.
Hi everyone, my name is Lydia. This is my Under the Sea project. This is actually an ocean habitat. There were a lot of sea creatures there. I made a sea turtle, a a dolphin because the dolphin is a people-friendly animal, and a submarine complete with me as the scuba diver. I put a paper behind the object, so it means it seems it has shadows like 3D.
Mm-mm.
Okay, the pieces fell.
The fish is moving. Yeah. All right. What is the
Okay,
hardest
so
part of your drawing? What is the hardest part of your painting? Yeah.
I think it's the. Actually, I think there's like nothing is hard for me in this project.
Yeah, I can see that your drawing nowadays becoming very very nice. This one is very cool. Okay, Tia, if I becoming your art teacher, I will give you 100 score for your
And
project. This one.
and I use Pablo Picasso
Yeah.
coloring techniques.
Yeah. What did you learn from this lesson? Share with us.
I learned like how to like I think use the coloring like this.
Yeah. Are you happy with the result?
Still. Don't move it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Is there anything that you want to say about your painting?
I think now.
Are you happy with the result?
Yeah.
Which which is your most favorite one? Is that the diver or the dolphin or the submarine?
I like the scuba diver and the dolphin.
Yeah, I like the scuba diver also and with the submarine. How about you, Ruth? Do you have any question for Kakatia? Ruth, you want to ask something? Go, come on. This is yeah.
Thea, I like the way you draw the dolphin. It's so cute. I'm gonna cry.
Yeah. Can you share with us how to draw the dolphin step by step? Yeah.
I found it on YouTube.
And then you try to follow. This.
Yeah, I follow it.
Yeah.
Will, your dolphin is so cute. It's just so realistic.
Yeah, I agree with you, Ruth. See that? Nice. Thank you so much, Kakatia, for sharing with us.
Oh, I'm so cute. I cannot even believe my eyes.
All right, Kakatia, you have to frame that one. That's really really nice. Or if you have any competition, you can send that. If the competition related with the animals inside the sea or about how to save the earth, it can be. I think it's matched with the theme. Yeah. All
Yeah.
right.
Yeah.
Okay, you can keep that one. Thank you so much. Is there anything? Is there anyone want to ask something to Kakatia? No. If no, you can.
But it looks so cute, you know. The diver is so cute.
Of course, it's like stickers, right?
Yeah.
Very nice. And also, I like the submarine.
Jalan.
The thing I really love is the dolphin.
Yeah. All right. Thank you so much, everybody. Don't forget to keep on drawing. Practice, practice, practice. Okay.
Okay.
All right. We're going to take photo together. We're going to take photo together. Please show your drawing, everybody. Open your cam, please, Devanka. Open your cam. We're going to take photo together. Ready? Yeah. Are you ready? I'm going to take photo together. Okay, ready? One, two, go. One, two, go. Okay, thank you so much, everyone. See you again next week. Bye bye.
Let me with the. Oh yeah, the tick is saying good tick like Kiki. Oh, the tick is saying like a tick.
Iki loh. Bagus, Ruth. Ruth.
Hmm?
Bagus.
Evo sudah join. Evo! Yeah. Hi. Hi. Mr. Al, why are you here again? Yeah.